Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. First things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're going to take a look at the Nike Air Foamposite Pro Purple Camo. Welcome to the Av. Okay, so looking at the box, you see they have this black box. You got the large Nike logo across the top with the glossy pattern on it. You have the same thing on this side, smaller though. On this side, you have the white swoosh with the black glossy one. And on this side, you have the glossy Nike swoosh again. Now, let's take a look at the tag. What we have is the Nike Air Foamposite Pro in black and court purple. Now, these retail for $230. They release August the 17th, which is tomorrow. So if you're in the market for these, man, go ahead and snatch them up. Here it is, the Nike Air Foamposite Pro Purple Camo. Now me, I'm not really a fan of too many Foamposites, but for one, they're too heavy for me. Two, there's only a few colors that I think are okay, but other than that, man, I'm not a big fan of them. But I don't knock nobody for what they like, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's take a look around the shoe, man. Now under the bottom, you see you got the all black outsole with that purple check under the bottom. Here's a look from the side. You see you got your carbon fiber. You got all your hard material with your swoosh. Here's your look at the front. Top of the toe box. Here's your tongue with your purple pin with air on it. Black laces. Here's your medial side. See that camo print all throughout. Here's a look at the back. I mean, it's just a Foamposite to me, man. You know, it's just a different colorway. You know, this is really for those of you that are really fans of Foamposites. You feel me? So let me know in the comments if you're feeling this, man. Now you can see on the back, yeah, your pull tab with your Foamposite on it. Nice little touch. All in all, man, I think it's an okay shoe. You know, like I said, I'm not a fan of Foamposites. There's a closer look at the air pin on it. It's not a pin that comes off or whatever. I don't know why I even called it a pin, but it is what it is, man. Now on the inside, you got the black insole with the purple swoosh. I know you can't see it right now, but I'm rushing trying to get through this, man, because I got some things to do, you know what I'm saying? But I think it's an okay shoe, man, you know. All the people that like the Foamposites, man, is this something that you would cop? Are you feeling it? Let me know in the comments, man. Me, again, not a fan of it. I'm not feeling it. But it is what it is, man. You know, it's the Nike Air Foamposite Pro Purple Camo, or court purple, whatever they choose to call it. I don't know, but like I say, these release tomorrow, which is August the 17th. They retail for $230. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holler back.